Welcome and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Well, someone asked me what is our target. Are we still believing that Terra Classic is going to hit 100,000%? Because earlier few months ago, most crypto experts were talking about Terra Classic token hitting 100,000%. Well, the truth is 100,000% is our target. Is the target of so many people because of the 1.2% tax bond and because of the major project Terra Classic are actually creating and having at the moment. People believe that this coin is going to become one of the biggest coins very soon. Terra Classic is going to delete about 3 zeros. 100,000% is our target, and I believe Terra Classic, there's a possibility that this coin can even go above that 100,000%. Now the truth is this coin have gotten a lot of support for that from Binance, even Binance founder, from Kucoin, from different crypto exchanges, and even the community are really supporting Terra Classic token. Now with the 1.2% tax bond, we all believe that this coin is going to really massively increase in price because the circulating supply, which is about 6 trillion coins, we believe will be destroyed by this 1.2% tax bond mostly. That is why so many people believe that before the end of 2025, which is the next 3 years to come, even the next 2027, let's talk about 5 years time, that Terra Classic token had the possibility of massively increasing in price. Now, one important thing for Terra Classic is that this coin have really shown a lot of interest, that they are really serious when you talk about the 1.2% tax bond, when you talk about in terms of listening, when you talk about in terms of support. The community has been showing support for Terra Classic token. Yes, I believe Terra Classic can hit 100,000% increase in price with the support they have, with the project they have. This coin can hit, but remember it's going to take a very long period of time. So all we need is patience with Terra Classic token. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.